Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a holiday glam eyeshadow tutorial. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for future uploads. I'm going to take the shade No Filter, which is this shade right here, the Tarteist Pro, and I'm going to pack that into my crease. This is going to act as my transition shade. So once I feel like I have a decent layer on, then that's when I'll go ahead and start using windshield wiper motions to blend.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. The Eyelashes got me feeling like I'm flying.
Next, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. I know I'm probably using like the same palette over and over again, but some palettes nowadays don't excite me. So yeah. But I'm going to take my favorite shade. This is the only palette that I have that has a deep maroon burgundy shade, so I like using this shade in the palette, as you can tell. So I'm gonna put this into my crease.
I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding on in your shoes.
And I'm using like this. I got this brush from Five Below. It was $5 and it came like in a pack of 5 or 7. And they work really good. This brush is good for diffusing out color. I usually use a different brush to like pack on, and then I'll go ahead and blend out the edges with this brush, but this is saving me that extra step. So I'm just really packing this into my crease, blending it in with the previous shade. And I like to kind of blend into my eyebrow, but leaving the brow bone clear. I'm gonna go back into that Tarte Pro palette. I'm gonna take a smaller crease brush. This is one of my favorite brushes as well. It's by ELF. And I'm gonna go into the black and define this crease even more. I used to just apply a little bit into the crease and then look up, but now I started applying the base to the base of my lash line and look down like this to make sure that the base of my lash line touch my crease, and then that will give me, you know, an even defined cut crease.
Then to call back, I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that.
Then I'm going to take that same primer. I'm going to wipe off any excess, and I'm just going to blend in.
Where the only focus is me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in all shots.
So this pigment's called Merlot, and it looks like that. The next shade I'm going to take is Emerald Cut, and this is from the Fall Trio. Next, I'm going to take the shade Yacht Life, and I'm going to put that in between. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to attempt to put on lashes, and I got these lashes off AliExpress. I'll do a more like in-depth video on like who's the vendor and stuff like that, but so I got these lashes right here, and I got 5 pair, and I wanted to wear something kind of like noticeable. I think I got like a natural looking pair, and then the rest are like this. So I got my duo glue, and I'm going to attempt to put them on. For my lips, I'm going to use Antique Liquid Lipstick in Heartbreak. So I'm going to put Antique. It's like a dark maroon color. I'm going to use that as a liner.
Then to call back, I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me and weightless.
Then I'm going to go in with Heartbreak.
Feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that.
Going to take a lip brush. And kind of go back and forth in between the 2 shades. that is the completed look except the lashes, and I'll tell you why. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I know the I'm gonna keep practicing with the lashes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.